Hi you guys, today we're going to work on this nail art. It's gold and red, and I realized that it looks a little bit complicated, especially because of the glitters. I'm not sure if the camera is catching the design too well, but it's a flower, a red flower with a gold rhinestone, and then the two red rhinestones on a background of a fading gold. Alright, we're going to start with this hand. And I'm going to try to put it in a way that you guys can see. Alright, on this nail I'm going to show you guys the fading gold effect. Alright, you're going to need a gold color. I'll put the names of the colors I'm using in the description box. Either a gold color, or maybe even you can use a yellow, a very light yellow. Alright, and we're going to place the yellow not exactly halfway down our nail. We're going to place the yellow from like a little bit above half and up. Alright, we're going to place the yellow in those areas like this. Alright, and you don't have to be careful that the lines are straight, it doesn't matter. Alright, so we've applied our yellow. Okay, and from that area up. Now you should wait for it to dry, but I always mess up because I never wait. Alright, you're going to also need a gold color. A gold glitter color. Alright, so now the gold glitter color, we're not going to bring it all the way down to our cuticle. We're going to start like from here up. Alright, maybe if I can show you guys with this one's not complete. I'm going to show you guys how to do the flower with that one. Let me see if you guys can tell. There's no glitter in these areas. Alright, so we're going to start our glitter like from this area up. Alright, here we go. And we're going to start like from this area going up. Okay, from like this area, and be generous with it because the more you use, the prettier it'll look. Alright, so as you can see, we didn't apply the glitter all the way to the bottom. Alright, and what I would recommend also is that you use 2 coats of the glitter. Alright, so as you can see, it's not all the way down the nail cuticle area. Right, so this is where we are here. On this one I have already applied the 2 coats of the glitter color. Alright, the first thing we're going to need, of course, like always, is our piece of paper, because we're going to glop red color on our piece of paper. Alright, that's the first thing, and that's what we're going to start doing now. Is we're going to start working on the flower. Okay, I'm going to glop some red on my paper. Alright, and this flower, you guys, is going to be a tight flower. It's not going to be loose like the other ones we've done. Alright, so I'm going to dip the fat part of my pen in. Alright, and in this corner over here, I'm going to add, let's see if I could position it in a way that you guys can see. I'm going to add my first dot. Alright, then right next to it, touching, the next dot. Then on the other side, touching as well, the next dot, and then the dot in the bottom. Alright, and as you can see, these are all touching each other. Alright, it's a tight flower. Alright, and that's all we're going to use that for. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to use our rhinestone wheel, and we're going to add a gold rhinestone to the middle of our flower. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to glop clear polish in the middle of the flower. Alright, just to set it. We talked about this before. Alright, there's my glop. Now with my toothpick, I'm going to dip it in to pick my gold. Okay, and I caught it, so now I'm going to place it right in the middle of it. Alright, so there we go. We placed it right in the middle, and if that's where you want it, press down gently. Gently. Alright, so now we have, so far, we have the flower with the rhinestone in the middle. Now we need to add the 2 red rhinestones. So we're going to turn our wheel to the red rhinestones. There we go, the red ones. And now we're going to glop our clear polish again, but this time we're going to glop it a little bit to the side where we placed the original gold rhinestone. Now we're gonna we're gonna touch our toothpick to our clear polish. We're gonna pick up our red rhinestone and we're gonna place it. And I wouldn't recommend yet pressing it down, just because you might want to move it after you place the second stone, in case it's not really centered or placed where you want it. Another clear glop where you're going to want to place the other one on the side. Touch your toothpick with it, pick up your red rhinestone and place it. And if this is the positions where you want it, then that's where you press. Alright, so now I can press it down. Alright, and that's the look, you guys. Alright, first you did the fading, the gold fading that I taught you, and on this one I will have to add another another gold glitter. And then from there, what you do, once they dry, you add the red flower, alright, and then the 2 red rhinestones. Now if you don't have the rhinestones, what you can do is that you could dip your toothpick into gold color, a gold glittery one, and just dab the middle of the flower. And for the red, just glop red polish, dip it, and place your 2 dots there. That would be fine too. And I understand that this manicure is a little bit hard to see, just because I guess of the gold, right? The gold glittery. Alright, you guys, well, that's the look. Alright, it's a really pretty manicure. I mean, this will steal stares. Alright, you guys, I hope you liked it, and it's not so hard to do, right? Alright, you guys, if you like it, please comment. Be seeing you guys soon with a new tutorial. Bye.